What is the C2 link? This is a drone buyer's novelty guide to understanding the C2 link. This video will dive into what does C2 stand for, what is a C2 link actually, and how does a C2 link really work. C2 stands for command and control. We command the drone to maintain our control. A C2 link is the invisible connection between the remote and the drone. I just put a little joke there, said every drone instructor ever. So literally what it is the C2 link literally stands for the command and control link. And it looks like this. You get multiple different types of C2 links. You also get C3 links. In other words, the C2 link is like a cable. It is an invisible cable from the RPA or the drone to the RPS. Drones can't use cables when flying. So instead, what we do is we use radio wave links, which these specific ones are called C2 links. What are data or radio links? It is a digital connection for the transferring of information. You have antenna A, you have antenna B, and any information or data that is transferred from antenna A to antenna B, that is a radio or a data link. So it is like a cable, but it is actually invisible to our eyes. It runs as though it's a cable, except it's using radio waves, which means it's propagating. That means they're just going up and down like a wave does, instead of going straight like a cable would. It allows for remote piloting and viewing. The one thing that people get stuck on is that like a cable, it's not like a cable in that we don't have a cable, but exactly like a cable, there is still a tether point. It means that the radio link will only reach to a certain limit and you cannot go beyond that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little video on the C2 links. Please go and check out our other content. We are the AVM UASOC channel. UASOC, by the way, just stands for Unmanned Aerial Systems Operators Certificate. We very specifically deal with the assistance and facilitation of starting up a drone company. In order to do that, you need to get your UASOC. We have plenty of videos and content on that. Just go check out all our channels and our other videos. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.